People are going crazy these days about 3D printers, and today we're going to join them. Ford F-150 custom printed third brake light coming right at you. Hey, and if you like truck content and off-roading and custom builds, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell, and be notified when we have new content. Hey guys, I'm Tony with Beyond the Raptor, where we talk about Ford trucks and geek out about off-road mods. If you like that feeling you get when you can design, build, or buy that perfect part for your rig, smash that like button, let the Google gods tell other people about this video so they can find it just like you. Today we're going to talk about designing, building, and installing a custom third brake light housing for our Ford F-150 that will house not only chase lights and brake lights, but also upgrades for a new antenna mount for our radio. So as I started doing more and more off-roading, specifically with large groups, I've had the need for a radio. And with that comes the need to mount an antenna. And I've seen a lot of designs out there where people actually will mount their antenna for their radio in their truck on the third brake light on the F-150. And so I contacted my friend over at Precision Design to see if he could help out. Now, this isn't the first time we've ever done anything with 3D printing with our truck. We've actually had a light installed that was 3D printed by Precision Design in the past, and that light has held up great. I did a full install and review of that kit over a year ago, and now I contacted them to see if they wanted to work with us on a custom one-off design. Now, we walked them through what I wanted to do with this new design, specifically add a place for a new NMO antenna mount for my radio. We went back and forth with a couple measurements and some designs, and after a little custom CAD work, they found the perfect solution for what we needed. And here it is. It's made of an outdoor rated ABS plastic, and it is topped off with a custom coated outdoor material that really stands up to the test of time. I have had this same material on my truck for the past year with no fading, no water leaks whatsoever. Really is performed flawlessly. As you can see, we had them add this platform for where we're going to be putting our antenna mount, as well as some reinforcement, as there will be more weight that will be put on it. And it has the 3 LED Raptor brake lights, and then the cutouts for our chase lights that we'll be swapping over from the existing enclosure that we already have on the truck today. And you can even see that we managed to get our BTR Beyond the Raptor branding built into it. This truly is a one-of-a-kind brake light like no other. So before we install this new custom third brake light, we've got to pull the old one off. And now we need to swap the chase lights from the old light onto the new one so that we have all the functionality back when we reinstall it. Okay, so now it's time for us to install the new antenna mount on this new custom 3D printed brake light. Now we can install the new wiring and hook it back up to the brake light system. And give it one final test to make sure all the wiring's working right. Looks like we're in pretty good shape. All right, so we designed it, we printed it, we swapped out the components, and then we installed it. If you're interested in this project and you want one of these for yourselves, check the link in the description below and contact Precision Designs to learn more about their custom 3D printed third brake lights. Hey guys, we're gonna keep this video content rolling, but why wait for the next video? Check out the link here for another video that you can watch to get inspiration on your next upgrade.